Centered home. Contemporary architectural masterpiece located in the heart of Los Angeles, designed by HYCArch and Aanda. From the street, Centered home appears as a closed, minimalist box, flanked by a row of San Pedro cacti that add an air of mystery and allure. The exterior is clad in charred shou sugi, a Japanese technique of burning wood for enhanced durability, creating a dramatic black contrast against the vibrant surrounding landscape. This dark facade hints at the warmth and comfort hidden within, inviting visitors to explore further. The home's design concept is based on concentric organization, layer upon layer from the center outward, creating natural boundaries between private and communal spaces. At the heart of the home lies a central cube, which is a quiet refuge for private activities like meditation, sleeping, and stretching. This cube is then surrounded by a social layer, where family members can enjoy shared activities like cooking, creating, and relaxing together. Finally, the outermost layer opens up to the landscape and city views, forming the last boundary of its concentric design. Stepping into the central cube, you're welcomed by the primary bedroom, which exudes tranquility with its vaulted white oak ceiling and skylight that fills the space with refreshing morning light. One wall features CNC milled panels with gentle grooves, creating a dynamic shadow effect that shifts with the day's lighting. This detail adds both texture and practical storage space, even sized down to precisely accommodate each pair of shoes. The room also includes a designated area for meditation and stretching, with softly ridged millwork along the walls that seamlessly conceals storage for yoga equipment. This area is finished with warm oak and felt wall panels that create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Moving on to the kitchen, functionality meets surprising details. Large skylight directly above the kitchen area floods it with natural light, making the space feel lively and open. The island, painted black, stands in sharp contrast to the brightness around it, accentuating its presence. Clever, playful elements like a hidden foot-activated step stool and a custom drawer for cat litter are seamlessly incorporated into the cabinetry, making daily tasks both convenient and fun. The living and dining rooms serve as the main communal spaces. A skylight with unique geometric detailing above the living room pulls sunlight from the southwest, casting dancing shadows across the ceiling and walls. Furniture, chosen through a collaborative process between designer Annie Barrett and the homeowners, brings warmth and comfort to the space. Graphic artwork from the couple's collection adds personality to the room. A neo-wall sofa by Living Divani is nestled against one wall, accompanied by a grid Sol Luit installation. Floor-to-ceiling windows flank this space, framing views of the lush front and side gardens. On the east side, two expansive windows provide a natural backdrop for a custom dining table made of Douglas fir, adding a simple yet elegant touch. Long hallways that connect the front and rear of the house are punctuated with tall windows, letting natural light flow in and giving the space a sense of openness. In response to Los Angeles's warm climate, the southern wall has been thickened to insulate the home from heat while also adding ample storage space. At the rear of the home, two office spaces overlook the backyard and pool, offering a quiet environment for work or relaxation. This orientation not only provides calming views, but also ensures these rooms are well lit throughout the day, supporting both productivity and comfort. Centered Home flawlessly integrates function and aesthetics, meeting the homeowner's needs in every detail. It's not just a residence, but also a peaceful retreat for meditation, a joyful gathering space, and a comfortable personal sanctuary. The Concentric design offers a unique architectural experience, balancing privacy and openness amid the stunning natural beauty of Los Angeles. In summary, Centered Home beautifully combines privacy, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, making it a standout example of modern design. Each detail, from the striking charred exterior to the thoughtfully arranged interiors, creates a harmonious living space that prioritizes both personal retreat and communal connection. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed exploring this architectural gem, don't forget to subscribe to Block 7 for more inspiring home designs and ideas from around the world. See you in the next video.